Antitrust law refers to any law restricting business practices considered unfair or monopolistic. The antitrust laws are supposed to promote and protect competition, or, if you will, competitive processes in distinct lines of commerce or relevant markets. This alone is their proper purpose. They are not intended to punish big companies merely on account of their size or because of their commercial success. Most importantly, the antitrust laws have never been anti-market or anti-business in their underlying conception or in their implementation. On the contrary, the antitrust laws are intended to protect free markets. They are thus intended so to promote market economics and marketplace competition in most markets, while checking the abuses that sometimes arise in different markets.